Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. From FluxBuilder 2.10, the new layouts banner, slider, and carousel will be supported. Now quickly view how to add these layouts in your home design. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Go to Home tab, open Product Horizontal in Home Layout. Here, select Type Banner Slider. Then, scroll down to edit some banner options. In slider type, we have two types, content between card and content end card. Let's see how each type display on the simulator. You can choose to hide the category tags. Select category tag color or text color. In this layout, the indicator can be alternative between line or circle type. When sliding, the indicator will work like this. Now, let's change the content padding and border radius for the card. The layout also allows setting the indicator limit. In case you want the layout to automatically slide, please enable Auto Sliding option. Move on to the additional type, Carousel. The special effect of this type is the sliding effect. Similar to other types, you can select card design for this type. Modify the card radius. Change the image size with image ratio. Show or hide title, and set the title max line. In some cases, at the first time adding carousel layout, you will see a large empty space under. Don't worry, you just need to enable Customize Height option in background and select the valid value. Obviously, this type also support auto-sliding. Apart from products, blogs also support these two layouts. Now you can diversify and attract users with more layouts on home screen. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.